Boeing Defense and the Machinists Union have reached a tentative deal ending a 5-week-long strike in St. Louis. An official vote on the new 5-year contract is scheduled for Friday, September 12th. All 3,200 members of the IAM District 837 Union went on strike August 4th, following a 67% rejection vote to the company's previous contract proposal. A previous offer included a $5,000 bonus and a 20% wage increase over 4 years, which would have raised compensation on average by 40%. But many of the fighter jet builders have seen previous raises offset by rising cost of living expenses. The new accepted contract includes a 45% average wage growth, as workers will receive a 24% wage increase. Alternatively, workers will receive a $4,000 bonus on top of previously offered additional vacation and sick leave. Comparatively, IAM District 751's 7-week strike dating back to late last year in Washington and Oregon resulted in a 38% wage increase with a $12,000 signing bonus. Once fully approved, workers are expected to return Monday as production begins once again. Normal production flow is expected to return in about a week's time. Throughout the 5-week period, non-union employees have kept production afloat, though output slowed across various programs. On September 4th, Boeing announced a plan to bring on replacement workers. My name's Devin Verbsky, and this is Manufacturing Now.